Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but as per usual, we'll find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Stickers are also down there in the description. I threw these everywhere today. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we've got. The box open. It's challenging to come up with unique and interesting filler dialogue while I cut things open. Well, if you sharpen the scalpel, you wouldn't have to worry about filler dialogue because it would be quick and efficient. Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do, voice in my head. Do I have a place for these peanuts? I guess not. Okay, here you go, fellas. Ooh. We got a wacky boy. What the heck? Okay. Interesting. I know everybody loves looking at tactical peanuts, but we're going to move all of those. Okay. Yeah. So, I think you probably could have guessed that that was a quartermaster. All right. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. I'm not actually going to review this right now. I'm just going to look over it. First time I've handled this stuff. I'll link this down below. The first question I have is, why do we have 3 thumb studs? So there's the flipper tab. Let's give this a go. Okay. A much lighter detent than I would have expected. Very detent is almost non-existent on this guy. Yeah. I'll give it, watch it. Ready? Yeah. Okay. There's a note in here. Sorry, I just had to pick that one up and play with it since it came flying out of there. Let's see. What do we have? Hang on. Let's pull the note out here. Hey MC, my name is Kyle and I can't wait to see the knives on the channel. These are some of the more interesting knives in my collection. I know I said I was only sending the blank, but I figured I'd send some surprises. Okay, well thank you very much. Yes, all right. So the Quartermaster is a QTR-4 Hannibal in CPM 154. Wowzers. That thing is a really strange looking monster. These are steel liners, feels like. CPM 154. Let's try out some of these thumb studs. Thumb stud number 1. Okay. Pass. Thumb stud number 2. Pass. Thumb stud number 3, pass, right? To give you the most tactical advantage, optimal thumb positioning. Look, if you've never taken a look at quartermaster knives, they're kind of weird. Saying kind of weird is putting it soft. They're weird. So that'll be a fun one to take a look at. Let's see what we've got here. Another surprise. Okay. We've got a Kershaw. Oh, it's a manual Kershaw. Is this an R.J. Martin? Yeah. R.J. Martin, man, I can pick those. Well, I say that. Oh, I'm so sensitive to design lines and so well-versed in the art of identifying cutlery. Yeah. No, it looks like an R.J. Martin. Also, curiously, the detent on this guy is also very light. But it feels like washers. I don't know. Interesting how they do this part right here. Does that slow down the cut, right? Increase drag, right? We got to be high speed, low drag in this world. No time for nonsense. I don't know. Oh, this is a USA Kershaw. Okay, interesting. That's always nice to see. Yeah. I don't know if this guy's still available or not, but I'll link it down below. If it is, you guys can check it out. And finally, this is the one that we actually spoke about. This is the Kershaw Dodo. The Spyderco Dodo. If my memory serves me correctly, I have not looked at this yet. But this is a design that is meant to, emphasize or prioritize ergonomics over everything else, right? People in the comments who are big into blade to handle ratio and maximizing that, right? I understand that it is visually pleasant to see a nearly 1-to-1 ratio on a knife, right? Now combine that with ratios that are nowhere near that. And of course, Spyderco's, let's say their unique, you know, what they like to do. I'm sure that this has its own design. Oh no, this is an Eric Glesser design. Spyderco's sort of aesthetic consistency, right? Freaking weird looking knife is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, that's just absolutely killing some people to look at this. But, you know, it's weird. That's why I want to look at it. I'm pretty sure you can still get the Dodo. It has this unique, that ball bearing lock. It's one of the only knives that I've seen. I handled the Phoenix that had that lock, and I thought this one looked kind of interesting. Definitely solid. So, I mean, talk about like an ultimate package opener, right? I'm sure there's some other purpose for that hawkbill blade. But yeah, nice and compact. It's actually pretty smooth. You can, yeah, it'll pretty much drop shut, and then you can reverse flick. It's not super comfortable to do that. You can thumb flick it right. It's easier to just wheel it out like this. This is surprisingly smooth considering it actually is locking. There's a little teeny tiny bit of side to side in there, but I imagine I just need to turn the pivot. Wow, yeah, that is a weird one for sure. All right, well, this was a fun unboxing. I don't know about the RJ Martin. I think just for fun, I'll look at this guy. Look at that. I didn't realize it was actually a compound grind. Man, quartermaster knives are so ridiculous. Is that comfortable to hold on to? Well, the short answer and the only answer is no. No. Honestly, that's like, that has the equivalent ergonomics of a pineapple, right? Equally as comfortable. Super weird, though. Yeah, we will definitely take a look at that. Guys, I think that's really all that needs to be said here today. You can expect videos on at least this guy and this guy. I'll think about this guy over the next, 3 to 4 weeks. That's when you can expect to see it. Anyways, links down below for this stuff if I can find it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.